Well, if you are a fan of peaches, then this next segment is the one for you. I am here with Miss Peach Days for Brigham City, Olivia. So great to have you here today.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm glad to be here.
Oh my gosh, absolutely. Okay, this is such a fun event every single year, and you're actually going to be showing me how to make this delicious peach thyme pound cake today, right?
Oh yeah. We have all of our wet ingredients in here. We have sour cream. We have our eggs as well, and we also have some cream butter and sugar as well. So.
Oh my gosh, and of course, the star of the show, the peaches right here. And thyme, I imagine that adds a really interesting dynamic, a little, that taste. I'm sure it's so delicious.
It is really good, yes.
Okay, so show me how we kind of put this beautiful cake together.
Okay, perfect. So we're just gonna have to put in our dry ingredients first, just a little bit at a time. Perfect.
Look at that. I feel like peaches just signal summer, you know, it being the end of summer at their height when they're so ripe. They just, they're amazing. I could eat them every single day, multiple times a day. And I love that this cake, you know, it's kind of a non-traditional twist with the thyme added in. I feel like it signals, you know, a summer recipe, but it's kind of an unexpected herb that you get to add. So, and I've never met a bundt cake that I didn't like, so looks so good. All right, so tell me about this upcoming event.
So, Peach Days is September 8th and 9th next week.
Okay.
About 50,000 people come and visit for us in Brigham City. Yeah,
what a fun turnout.
It's really awesome. Yeah, and then we also have our very cool car show as well, and we have about 900 cars coming to the show, and it is a free car show for the attendants and also the participants.
Incredible, very cool. And
really
I'm
awesome.
Guessing that they might get a chance to meet the local celebrity there. Might be making an appearance, Miss Peach Days herself.
Oh yes, definitely. There will be a new Peach Queen, so it won't be me, but it will be somebody else, which will be very exciting.
Very exciting, so great. This is such a fun community-wide opportunity to really kind of celebrate the transition of the seasons, the end of summer, and peaches, which I've never met someone who doesn't love them. They're just an amazing fruit. Look at this right here. Okay, and how can people get tickets to this event?
It is, you can walk around for free, and then if you want to go on rides, there are tickets there. And it's a really great event. And so
family friendly, I imagine,
yes,
all
definitely.
ages. I'm sure it's something that people really look forward to every single year. Okay, and tell me about the recipe. Let's finish up here. This is obviously the end product right here. So great. Look at that. I can see the little flecks of peaches. So this is, how does that translate to that really quick?
So we just put in the thyme and peaches, and then we just put it in this already greased bundt pan, and then we cook it at 350 degrees for just a little bit of time, and then it will be all ready and done.
This is incredible. I am going to go off camera and devour this right now, but I so appreciate you coming in. And I have to say, peach out. No, pardon my peach puns, but so great to have you in.
Yeah,
and definitely check out Peach Days Brigham City, guys.